So I tested Seedance 2.0 and I tried to push it as far as possible. Because let's be real, most AI video tools look good until you actually try to do something serious with them. The moment you add motion, multiple elements, or anything slightly complex, they start to break, things glitch, characters lose consistency, scenes fall apart. But this time, it didn't. This is Seedance 2.0 by Higgsfield AI, and it's built to handle things most models struggle with: multi-shot scenes, realistic motion, stable characters across frames, and even audio generated with the video, fully in sync. No weird cuts, no broken frames, no nonsense. Now take a look at this.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy.
This entire video was created using Seedance 2.0. Clean motion, consistent characters, everything just holds together. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, step by step, and how you can create videos like this yourself. Let's get into it. First, go ahead and open the Higgsfield website. Once you're in, head over to the video section and select Seedance 2.0. This will take you to the main workspace where everything happens. The interface looks simple, but there's a lot you can do here. At the top, you'll find presets. If you click on that, you'll see different styles and setups you can use to speed things up. Right below that is the upload section. This is where you can bring in images, videos, or even audio to guide your generation. So instead of just typing prompts, you're actually shaping how the video turns out. We'll use that in a bit. But for now, let's keep it simple. We'll start with a basic text prompt. And let's go for something cinematic. A cinematic scene of a man standing alone in the middle of a wide desert at sunset. Warm golden light casting long shadows. Wind blowing sand across the ground. Camera slowly circling around him. Dramatic sky with moving clouds. Realistic motion. Detailed environment. Emotional atmosphere. Cinematic film style. 4K first. Make sure you have Seedance 2.0 selected. Then I'll set the duration to 10 seconds. After that, I'm switching the aspect ratio to 16:9, and I'll keep the resolution at 720p. Once everything's set up, all that's left is to hit generate. Now, let's see what it creates. And this actually came out really nice. The overall scene feels smooth and natural. Nothing looks broken or out of place. The lighting and environment blend really well together, especially with the movement in the background. And the camera motion adds that cinematic feel. It doesn't look static at all. What's impressive is how stable everything stays, even with multiple elements in the scene. This is exactly where most AI video tools usually struggle. But here, it just works. Now let's switch things up a bit. Instead of a cinematic scene, I want to test something more fast-paced. Let's go with an action-style prompt. A cinematic scene of a man running through a busy city street, dodging pedestrians, cars passing by, dynamic camera following from behind, and then switching to a side angle. Fast movement, realistic motion, natural lighting, slight motion blur, intense atmosphere, cinematic action style, 4K. This time, I'm going to bump the duration up to 15 seconds and hit generate. Let's see how it handles a longer sequence. And yeah, this turned out really solid. The motion stays smooth even over a longer duration. Nothing starts breaking or falling apart. The pacing feels natural, and the camera movement keeps everything dynamic. Even with all the movement in the scene, it stays consistent the whole way through. This is usually where most tools start to struggle. But here, it holds up really well. Now let's push this a bit further. Up until now, we've only been using text, but this time, I'm going to bring in a reference image. This is where things start to get a lot more powerful. So I'll upload this image right here. Instead of generating something from scratch, Seedance will now use this image as a foundation and build the video around it. That means you get much more control over how everything looks and feels. Now I'm going to guide it with a prompt. Let's try something like a cinematic scene of the car slowly starting and driving forward through the neon-lit street. Reflections shifting across the wet road. Camera beginning with a low front angle and smoothly transitioning into a side tracking shot. Light fog in the air. Realistic motion. Dynamic lighting. High-end commercial style. Ultra-realistic 4K. Once everything's set, I'll go ahead and hit generate. Now let's see how it transforms this image into a full video. And this actually turned out really well. The scene feels alive, not just like a static image. The motion is smooth, and the transitions look natural. What's impressive is how it keeps the original look of the image, but adds realistic movement on top of it. Even the lighting and reflections adapt as the scene progresses. Overall, it feels more like a real shot than something AI generated. Alright, let's run another test. This time, I'm going to bring in a reference image of a car. Instead of generating something from scratch, I want to see how well Seedance can turn this into a cinematic sequence. So I'll upload the image right here. And now, I'm going to guide the scene using a prompt. A cinematic scene of the woman slowly turning her head while looking at the city skyline. Wind gently moving her hair, camera starting behind her, and smoothly circling to the side. Warm sunset lighting shifting naturally, soft clouds moving in the background. Realistic motion, emotional atmosphere, cinematic film style. 4K. Now I'll go ahead and hit generate, and let's see how this turns out. And yeah, this came out really solid. Seedance 2.0 is easily one of the most advanced AI video generation tools right now. It handles motion, consistency, and even multi-shot scenes way better than most tools out there. If you want to try this for yourself, I've left a link in the description where you can get started with Higgsfield Seedance 2.0. You can get up to 70% off right now. Go check it out, test it yourself, and see what you can create.